What's up, Burlington Kia family? Shakira Hankins with the sales team here highlighting the 2026 Kia Forte GT line. The Kia Forte carries safety features that include blind spot detection with lane keeping and lane departure warning, forward collision avoidance, and it's even push button start with keyless entry capability. The Kia Forte also carries a sunroof, in addition to having wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities, a wireless charging pad, dual climate control, heated seats for both the driver and the passenger, and also has cool paddle shifters. All right, and the second row also includes plenty of space for any passengers and also USB-C ports. The Forte also includes plenty of cargo space and a spare tire. If you want to learn more about the Kia Forte GT line, please give us a call at 336-396-0608 and remember to ask for Shakira.